Most traders think they need a better strategy, a better indicator, a better entry, a better system. But in reality, many traders already know what they should be doing. The challenge is executing consistently under pressure. Because trading isn't just technical, it's behavioral. Fear, impulsiveness, overconfidence, revenge trading, hesitation. These patterns repeat more often than most traders realize. And without awareness, they quietly affect performance day after day. That's where journaling becomes powerful. Not just tracking entries and exits, but reviewing behavior. A trader's execution and discipline journal was designed to help traders slow down, reflect, and improve through structured self-review. Before trading, you assess market conditions and determine whether they actually align with your edge. During trading, you review setup quality, execution behavior, and decision-making in real time. And after trading, you reflect on discipline, emotions, and the quality of your actions, not just the profit or loss. Because a good trade can still be poorly executed, and a losing trade can still follow the plan perfectly. Long-term consistency comes from understanding the difference. Most traders focus only on results, but professional improvement comes from reviewing process. Over time, patterns begin to appear. Maybe impatience leads to forced trades. Maybe emotional reactions increase after losses. Maybe confidence changes your risk management. Maybe your best trades happen only under specific conditions. Without review, most traders never fully notice these behaviors. But awareness creates the opportunity for change. The goal isn't perfection. It's becoming more intentional, more disciplined, more objective, one decision at a time. Because long-term trading success is rarely built from chasing more strategies. It's built through consistency, self-awareness, and disciplined execution. Trade less emotionally. Execute more intentionally. Improve through review. A trader's execution and discipline journal, designed for traders focused on behavior, discipline, and long-term consistency. For more trading resources, tools, and content focused on discipline, psychology, and execution, check the links in the description below. I've also included the journal featured in this video for traders looking to build more consistency through structured review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.